Deployments of Maestro security groups have a central intuitive management system, making even the most sophisticated topologies easy to maintain and manage day to day. Since clusters by design are an expanding entity, Maestro is built to allow expansion while never losing sight of its fundamental purpose, securing the organizational traffic. So no matter how much you stretch the boundaries, the same level of security will always be maintained. Maestro provides cloud-level resiliency. No matter where your deployment is, it will maintain the same redundancy and failover capabilities. It fully utilizes all the hardware deployed in the system. All hardware resources are used, minimizing the risk of downtime. A security admin's and IT manager's nightmare, at least one of them, is the need to manage network shutdown for planned and unpredictable needs, whether for maintenance or because of a crisis. Maestro offers unique scalability, another product of its hypersync patent, when adding more resources. Last but not least, you can group your appliances by their function in your network, thus reducing operational overhead of scattered resources and repetitive work. I have already mentioned the two models that Check Point offers. Let's get to know them better. The MHO140, an orchestrator with up to 48 25 gigabits per second ports and 8 of 100 gigabits per second, giving you up to 2 terabits of throughput, connecting up to 52 appliances in up to 8 security groups. The MHO140 is made for mid-sized businesses and enterprises.